Now the manufacturing process is ready to begin. The raw harvest now enters the manufacturing world. Every delivery follows a carefully planned route. Efficiency begins before a single bean is unloaded. Precision keeps operations running smoothly. Every shipment must pass verification. The factory begins receiving its essential ingredient. Logistics and manufacturing move together as one system.
Quality control begins before processing starts.
Raw ingredients begin entering the production stream. Inside the factory, transformation begins. The factory prepares the beans for refinement. Now the cocoa begins its journey toward becoming chocolate. This is the heart of chocolate production. Every process is monitored in real time. Roasting unlocks the chocolate aroma. Cooling prepares them for refinement. The beans begin to transform into chocolate paste. Flavor begins to take shape. Each ingredient defines the final taste. Refinement creates silky perfection. Now the chocolate is ready for final transformation. The process moves seamlessly toward formulation. Uniformity is achieved through controlled mixing. Conching perfects flavor, aroma, and texture. The chocolate is now ready for its final transformation. The chocolate is ready to become the product seen around the world. The transformation from liquid to form begins. Every mold receives the exact amount required. Patience ensures structural perfection. The finished shape is ready to emerge. The chocolate finally takes its recognizable form. Technology verifies every detail. The product moves toward final refinement. Only flawless products continue. Now automation takes over at industrial scale.
Packaging materials move in perfect synchronization.
Protection and presentation happen simultaneously. Every seal protects freshness and quality. Packaging systems operate with remarkable speed. Retail units become logistics-ready shipments. Automation organizes thousands of products with precision. Stability is critical for global distribution. Organization ensures efficient delivery worldwide.